What's up, online shoppers? I want to show you how I get great sleep. Now, I buy these for almost everybody because they are the nicest 3D sleep masks and they don't squish your eyes or your eyelashes. So if you are an eyelash extension wearer, you can actually wear this and not mess up your eyelashes. This is super cool because it is a pack of 2 and it comes in 2 different colors. There's different color choices. I happen to like the black and pink ones, which is pretty cool. You also get these really nice little sachets to keep them in. It's nice for when you're traveling or when you're not using them. And of course, some earplugs to help with quiet sleep. Let's look at what's so cool about these 3D eye masks. Now, one of the things that they suggest is that you wash it with water before use. You know, probably shipping dust and things like that. They don't really have a smell, but the washing is a great idea so that if there's any shipping chemicals or anything, you've cleared that so that it's just this nice, silky, soft mask against your eyes. Now, this one here is a little bit weighted too. So this meshy, foamy area around the eye, you can hear like some sand in there, but it's clean sand. Now take a look here. You can see that there's actually like a cavity so that when you put this on your eye, it doesn't smash your eyelashes and you actually can open your eyes without your eyelashes touching the inside. I know this for a fact. This is great for night sleeping, for travel in airplane or train or car, or just being able to catch a little extra shut eye, maybe even at work if you close your door and shut off all the lights. But actually, this is 99% light blocking, so you don't even have to shut the lights off. Now, I love this because even though it's weighted, there isn't any eye pressure, which is fantastic. I'm just gonna put it on here so you can see what it looks like. It's really comfortable. Now, I don't like to tuck the straps behind my ears. I usually put them over. It's pretty comfortable and it does fit really nice and secure. There is an adjustable strap at the back so you can get it to fit exactly how you want. And it is really comfortable, even if you're a side sleeper, that you can lay on your side and it doesn't like press into your head and feel super uncomfortable. The padding is really nice. The strap at the back is soft, flexible, elastic that's not going to catch on your hair or feel uncomfortable or catch on your pillow. And I love that this is a really nice high quality memory foam and that it's super breathable. If you are looking for something that's going to up your comfort level when you were sleeping, you've got to check out this weighted 3D eye mask. Really nice shape to fit over your nose, comfortable, stretchy, very, very luxurious on your eyes. And it comes in 1 packs and 2 packs and a wide variety of colors. Definitely a family favorite at my house.